Welcome. I am at North Natomas Regional Park this morning. There's a nice pond here in the corner. I think it's the northeast corner. I am about 90 minutes too late for this, so I'm competing with joggers and walkers and leaf blowers and lawn mowers, that kind of thing, because I was a little bit of a sleepyhead this morning and had a hard time getting up. Anyways, thanks for coming along, so let's go. Over my shoulder, there are so many black-crowned night herons, snowy egrets, and great egrets nesting. They're actually all around me, and all the trees around me. So hopefully I can get some good pictures of these. It's pretty cool. Wow, I had no idea I was going to see this here today. This has been amazing, really amazing. I expected to see a bunch of, summer small birds, the blackbirds and stuff like that. I knew I'd see some herons and egrets, and Canada geese, of course. But I had no idea. This is like ground zero for black-crowned night herons. There are so many nests all over these trees. I am just amazed. This has been fantastic. And, I'm going to have thousands of pictures to go through. Sometimes you have to know when to say when, and I'm going to say when and head home, but this has just been incredible. I could stand here and snap photos. And I think because there are so many walkers and joggers, these guys, they don't even seem stressed out that I'm here. When I was by an osprey nest the other day, they were going nuts that I got close. I mean, they were really agitated. So I left because, you don't want to do that. But these guys, man, these guys are just chill. And I'm having a great time. I mean, these birds are amazing, magnificent. North Natomas Regional Park. I recommend it. At least today. And there's one up there in the tree. Turn around, look.